Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content with Bluehost, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Bluehost website at www.bluehost.com. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. For beginners, the basic plan often provides sufficient resources. Next, create a new domain or use an existing one. If you opt for a new domain, enter your desired name in the provided field. Once the domain is chosen, move on to the account information section. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email, and payment details. Review the package information and choose any additional options if desired. Then, click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. After registration, log in to your Bluehost dashboard. Explore the different features available to upgrade your content. To enhance your site, consider installing WordPress through the one-click installation option. Once WordPress is installed, navigate to the Appearance section. Select a theme that aligns with your brand and content style. Customize your selected theme through the options available. Next, add essential plugins to enhance functionality. Some popular plugins include Yoast SEO for optimization and Elementor for design flexibility. Create and publish quality content to attract your audience. Remember to promote your content through social media platforms. Finally, monitor your site's performance using Bluehost analytics tools. With these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your content with Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.